Hello, welcome. We're here at Someday Farm doing today's Tàijíquán Tip, and I, of course, am Stephen Watson. Today's practice is a nice visualization, but you might even consider it a qigong, maybe even a neigong, depending. And I'll do this in stepping practices that are solo, so I can really adopt the visualization. And of course, I'll also do it in my solo form practice. But I don't think I'd normally do this in a paired practice or in a drill where my focus is rather invited to be elsewhere. And that is to imagine an artesian well, which is where we have groundwater, right, underground, let's call it a river, at a higher elevation. And then that higher elevation gives way to a lower elevation. So the hill is 500 feet up and the valley is 500 feet down, but the water is 20 feet underground at each point. If I tap into the water at the valley level, then that water, when it comes up, has an awful lot of pressure because that water has been falling down 500 feet from the hill. So when it experiences the low pressure of the opening, it will spurt up. So it's a different sort of a power than what you picture as lowering a bucket into a well that's the water is still and you lift a bucket's worth of water up. So with that visualization in mind, what I do is imagine when I need to express something in my Tàijíquán form, so example, a punch or an elbow or a shoulder or whatever it might be, I imagine that the step that precedes that is tapping into the groundwater. And not only am I tapping into groundwater, so I'm rooting and tuned into the earth, but that groundwater has its own yang upwelling that's relatively powerful, maybe very powerful, depending on what you do. And so that even though I'm focused on the down and the step, I'm feeling like the body is the pipe that would have been used to tap that well and feel that energy flow up into the expression. So thank you very much. Enjoy that artesian well, and I'm sure that you'll be able to do your Tai Chi more and more well as time goes on. Stay connected to the earth.
Linktree.com/Someday Farm is how you can find us online. While you're thinking about finding us, maybe think about helping us financially. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is based on tips. Thank you.